I'm Sherwin Damdar, Director of Product Management and Innovation at Garlock.
And I'm Matt Tones, Senior Application Engineer at Garlock.
And we're here to talk about some of the unique fluid sealing challenges in the semiconductor industry. So Matt, when we get inquiries and questions about fluid sealing in the semiconductor industry, what are we hearing?
Well, like any process, there are chemicals associated with some of the operations in the facility. So there can be things like acids and caustics, as well as etching solutions. But a large majority of those piping systems are being used to transfer water. Now you might think water doesn't seem like that difficult of an application, but there's two major issues or potential issues associated with these water systems. First thing is they're in non-metallic piping or PVC piping like you see here. The other thing is that this water is ultra pure, so we have to be very, very careful not to create any contamination in it. The third system that comes to mind is the chemical exhaust tooling hookup systems, which are used to transfer all the byproducts that are inside from the process. So that can contain things like chlorine and fluorine and other extremely toxic gases.
What are some of the unique solutions we have at Garlock that can help with this?
So when it comes to the ultra pure systems as well as the chemicals, we have our Stress Saver line, specifically the Stress Saver 3522 and the Stress Saver 370. These have PTFE contact points at the ID, which can be easily cleaned, and that makes it so that the products are not going to introduce any kind of contamination to the systems. For the exhaust tool hookups, that's something where, like our 3545 has proven to be very, very successful in these duct systems. As well as when you talk about any kind of piping systems, you have pumps. And within a pumping system, you've got vibration, you've got expansion, you've got contraction, and basically any kind of movement that's introduced because of the pump itself. So we have products like our SureLink product, which are PTFE based, which again are non-contaminating, but help remove any of that vibration or movement that otherwise potentially damage the systems.
Thanks for sharing those insights, and thanks for joining us.